celebrating 60 years of ANGRAU, a call to action for farmers' prosperity. In a vibrant celebration marking the Diamond Jubilee of Acharya Ranga Agricultural University, ANGRAU, Narasarapit Member of Parliament Lavu Shri Krishna Devarayalu took centre stage, urging a united front among various departments of this prestigious institution. His message was clear: to truly make a difference in the lives of farmers, collaboration and coordination are essential. Speaking to a gathering of academicians, agricultural scientists, and policymakers, the MP emphasized the importance of targeted research aimed at doubling farmers' income by reducing cultivation costs. It's not just about technological advancements, it's about creating a synergy between departments to ensure our research reaches every farmer, no matter how remote, he stated passionately. Adding to the discussion, Chintala MLA Julakanti Brahmananda Reddy, who was present as the guest of honor, shed light on the unique agricultural challenges faced by the Palnadu region. He pointed out the frequent crop failures affecting red gram, cotton, and chili, and advocated for the introduction of horticultural crops as a sustainable alternative to help stabilize farmers' incomes. The event was presided over by ANGRAU Vice-Chancellor Dr. Julakanti Devi, and it attracted a host of distinguished guests, including Dr. Gr. Chintala, former chairman of NABARD, and several former vice-chancellors who have played pivotal roles in the university's journey. Yelamanchili Shivaji, a former MP and board member of ANGRAU, reflected on the university's significant milestones, praising its success in transferring technology from the lab to the fields, and encouraged continued efforts in this direction. A highlight of the event was a keynote lecture titled Building the Future on a Legacy of Excellence at 60, delivered by Dr. Chintala, an esteemed alumnus of ANGRAU. This was followed by heartfelt reminiscences from former vice-chancellors, university officials, and farmers, creating a rich tapestry of shared experiences and aspirations. The celebrations also featured an engaging industry-academia session, where experts from both sectors came together to explore collaborative opportunities that could further benefit the agricultural landscape. To top it all off, students from various ANGRAU-affiliated colleges showcased their talents through lively cultural performances, adding a festive spirit to the occasion. As ANGRAU steps into its next chapter, the call for focused research and collaboration resonates louder than ever, promising a brighter future for farmers and the agricultural community.